enough food here to last us a few days.
Then we will surely starve. Can I help you?
Now where's my son?
But it can't be. The accident.
Was no accident.
But why?
Where's my son, Evelyn?
I'm afraid I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, I think you do.
All I know is that 11 years on the run must have left you yearning for a home-cooked meal. Carne asada tacos, anyone?
Know how much I love tacos. But it's gonna take more than tender, succulent steak to distract me.
Francois, you fool. HelloFresh offers a wide variety of delicious recipes, like Greek lemon chicken, or sage and brown butter pork chops.
Sage, you say? My only weakness. All right, sister. Let's dance.
I see you started without me. Is it true, Mama?
It is, Benicio. Or should I say, son?